Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Bezoar in Windrose. First of all, you'll need to find the foothills biome, and inside of it you'll need to find some nanny goats or normal goats, from which the Bezoar can't be dropped. As you can see, I got one from the nanny goat. Also, a normal goat, which is not going to try and run away from you, is also able to drop you the Bezoar. As you can see, I got it again. There's not 100% chance that it is going to drop, but it is pretty high. So this is all how you get Bezoar and Windrose. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.